to Nicktoons.
10, 9, 8. Rocket monkeys!
They're rocket monkeys, monkeys in space. They try to be heroes, but they're easy to replace. They're not the brightest, they're not the best. They're not the coolest, they also have the best. Rocket monkeys, rocket monkeys, rocket monkeys. Give them a mission, they'll do their best. But best is relative, don't you forget. Rocket monkeys.
Monkeys!
Hello, ladies and gentlemen. This is your airplane speaking. If you look off the right side of my armpit, you'll